Have you ever noticed the more people think about making money, the less they actually do about it? Most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They fail because they're trapped in overthinking. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect investment, the perfect plan. But while they're busy analyzing every move, opportunities keep passing by. Fear whispers, what if you lose money? What if you fail? What if you're not smart enough? So instead of taking action, people stay stuck. And staying stuck? That's often the most expensive mistake of all. The truth is, wealth isn't built by knowing everything. It's built by starting, learning, making mistakes, and staying consistent, saving small amounts, investing regularly, building discipline. Because financial success isn't about perfection, it's about momentum. Your biggest enemy may not be poverty, it may be your own hesitation. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start before you're comfortable, because every day you overthink, someone else is building the future you keep postponing.